I have a digital converter connected to the battery pack in the back of this Zenith VHS-C camcorder. And if you take the cables off, and then you just take the battery off, I actually put some rechargeable batteries inside. And so they just come out and you just charge them. They're 3.7 volt batteries. I put 3 of them inside. And I'm able to run this old camcorder again. Just hook it up here. Just hook up the audio, video cables. And then you just turn it on. Then you turn on the converter. Okay, here's a sample. What you do here, all you have to do is just push record. And you see that it turns red and it starts recording. So whatever you have on film, you zoom in or whatever you want to film, it's recording automatically digital.